Once upon a time, in a quaint village, there lived a young farmer named Ethan. He had inherited a barren piece of land from his late grandfather. While the other farmers in the village had lush fields and flourishing farms, Ethan's land was nothing but dry, cracked soil. Despite the discouragement and skepticism from others, Ethan was determined to turn his inherited land into a prosperous farm. He had a dream, and he believed that with hard work and dedication, he could transform the desolate piece of earth into a bountiful haven. With unwavering resolve, Ethan set to work. He started by studying the land's condition and learning about sustainable farming techniques. He sought advice from experienced farmers and read books on soil rejuvenation and crop rotation. Armed with newfound knowledge, he began to nurse the soil back to life. Ethan tirelessly worked day and night, clearing the land of debris, rocks, and weeds. He meticulously prepared the soil, adding nutrients and compost to revitalize its fertility. Despite facing many challenges, he didn't lose hope, understanding that turning a barren land into a thriving farm would take time. The other villagers watched him with skepticism, shaking their heads and questioning his sanity. "Why waste your efforts on that arid piece of land?" they would ask. "It's a lost cause." But Ethan remained resolute. He knew that success wasn't instantaneous. It required patience, determination, and a belief in his dream. He reminded himself of the old saying, "The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and the second best time is now." With the arrival of spring, Ethan began planting the seeds he carefully selected. He planted a variety of crops, each chosen to complement the others and enhance the soil's health. Every morning, he would water the land, and every evening, he would inspect his crops with anticipation and hope. Weeks turned into months, and the initial results were meager. Doubt started to creep into Ethan's mind, but he refused to give in to negativity. He remained persistent, knowing that nature took its course and progress required time. He continued to work diligently, tending to his crops with tender care. As the seasons changed, so did Ethan's fortune. His farm began to show signs of life. Tiny sprouts emerged from the soil, and the land transformed into a vibrant green canvas. The other villagers couldn't believe their eyes. They were witnessing the birth of a thriving farm on what was once a lifeless land. With every passing day, the farm flourished, producing a bountiful harvest that surpassed even the most fertile fields in the village. Ethan's hard work, patience, and unwavering belief in his dream had paid off. The once doubtful villagers now marveled at his success. Ethan's farm became an inspiration to others, a testament to the power of hard work, perseverance, and self-belief. Many young farmers sought his guidance, and he generously shared his knowledge and experience. As the years passed, Ethan's farm grew into a symbol of hope and a reminder that dreams could be realized with determination and persistence. His story spread far and wide, touching the hearts of those facing challenges in various walks of life, and so, the story of the seeds of success became a timeless tale, passed down through generations, inspiring people to believe in themselves and nurture their dreams, regardless of the skepticism they may encounter. It taught the world that even on the most barren of grounds, seeds of success could be sown and nurtured into a magnificent harvest of accomplishments. And so, the tale of the seeds of success teaches us a valuable lesson, that hard work, patience, and unwavering belief in our dreams can transform the most challenging circumstances into fruitful opportunities. Ethan's journey from a barren piece of land to a flourishing farm reminds us that the path to success is often fraught with doubts and obstacles, but with determination and perseverance, we can overcome them all. As we look back on this story, we are reminded that the journey towards our goals might not always be smooth. and there will be times when others doubt our abilities. But it is during these moments that we must hold on to our vision and keep planting the seeds of effort and hope. So, dear listeners, let the seeds of success inspire you to stay true to your aspirations, no matter how barren the starting ground may seem. Believe in your dreams and work diligently towards them, for with time and tenacity, you will witness the blossoming of your own success. And now, stay tuned for our next captivating story, where we will embark on another extraordinary adventure filled with valuable lessons and heartwarming moments. Until then, let the spirit of the seeds of success guide you in your own journey towards achieving your dreams.